Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best wall mount bathroom faucets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Delta Faucet Linden 17 Series Dual Function Shower Trim Kit. While single-purpose shower faucets work great, many people often prefer getting extra functionality in the units. If this is you, then this dual function model from Delta is the doubtless kit you need. What is wonderful about this model is that it comes with full modern convenience and functionality. Its vintage design makes the installation process super easy, so it will be running in a few minutes. Thanks to its 5 settings, you will get a lot of benefits from each shower. From the relaxing rainfall head to high-driven massage options, the range will definitely satisfy your cleaning off needs. Number 2. Our second best pick is Danco 10001 Bathtub and Shower Trim Kit for Moen. Many experienced contractors often advise that the bathrooms are the most selling points of a home. The reason is that the area is not only important but is also made by the users as personal spaces. So the best thing to do is to modify the components. The Danco trim kit has passed the test for Moen faucet showers. With nice edges and arched lines, this trim is stylish today and will remain so in the coming years. It is made from durable acrylic, plastic, and stainless steel for reliable performance. The Moen shower kit includes a clear handle and a metal handle precisely cut for replacement. Number 3. Our third best pick is Delta Faucet Lahara 17 Series Dual Function Tub and Shower Trim Kit. Delta often takes your bath decor back in time. With this model, Lahara, you get to enjoy using these 2-in-1 masterpiece. Utilizing durability and styling, you will always feel this art of installation whenever you are showering. This system probably means either consulting a plumber or considering a DIY installation. The faucet is easy to put in the wall, and once finished, the sparkling and elegant looks are appealing. The dual head is angled to ensure that you clean your body conveniently. With this, you can separately control the temperature and flow to a maximum amount. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Delta Faucet Single Spray Touch Clean Rain Shower Head. Showering often means a relaxing experience for several people. To realize this transformative effect, installing a rainfall shower head is the best decision. Thanks to the unique design that comes with Delta Faucet. Apart from the layout, this option is at its best functionality because it sticks from the walls. This causes the water to flow down onto your body, unlike the more pronounced heads. This model perfectly refreshes and relaxes with the rainforest feeling. The reason is that the faucet reduces the water pressure as desired. That means you will not get showered by powerful flashes of spray. Of course, the gentle cascade of the rainfall is enjoyable. Even so, the amount of flow is full enough, 2.5 gallons per minute. This also makes washing and rinsing off yourself a quick breeze. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is HMK Shower System Wall Mount Bathroom Faucet. When looking for the best wall mount bathroom faucet, you can consider a 3-in-1 model. That you enjoy the convenience of the system by either integrating one into the wall or using the handheld piece or fix the other in a tub. This unit from him is an all-in-one functioning type. With everything attached together, it means its installation is very straightforward. Also, its 2 heads and a spout guarantees that it fits any bathroom setup. Another unique feature about the faucet is that its tub spout is placed on a swivel. That way you can take it out while showering, thus it is not a hazard. The customization given reduces any form of frustration. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.